Good morning. Take a seat and tell me what brings you in today.
Thank you. I received this letter last week, and I honestly do not understand what it is asking me to do.
Of course. Let me take a look. Can I see some identification as well, please?
Yes, here is my passport and the letter.
Perfect. I can see this is a notice about your tax return. Have you filed a tax return before?
No, this is my first time. I did not even know I had to do one.
That is completely fine. A lot of people are in the same situation. This letter is simply telling you that your tax return is due.
What exactly is a tax return?
A tax return is a form where you report how much money you earned during the year. The government uses it to check that you have paid the right amount of tax.
And what happens if I have paid too much or too little?
Great question. If you paid too much, you will receive a refund. If you paid too little, you will have an outstanding balance to pay.
An outstanding balance. That sounds serious.
It does not have to be. As long as you file your return before the deadline, any balance can be paid in a straightforward way.
What is the deadline?
The deadline is printed at the top of your letter. You have 6 weeks from today.
6 weeks. That is not much time. Can I do this online?
Absolutely. You can file your tax return completely online. You will need your reference number. That's the long number at the top right of your letter.
I see it, the number starting with 3 zeros.
Exactly. That number identifies your account. Keep it safe because you'll need it every year.
What if I make a mistake on the form?
Don't worry. The online system will guide you through every section. If you make an error, you can correct it before you submit.
And what happens if I miss the deadline?
If you miss the deadline, there may be a penalty. That's an extra charge added to what you owe. The best way to avoid it is to file as early as possible.
I had no idea there was a penalty. I'm glad I came in today.
That's exactly why we're here. Do you have any other questions before you go?
Just one. Is there someone I can call if I get stuck with the online form?
Yes, there's a helpline number on the back of your letter. They can walk you through every step if you need it.
This all feels much more manageable now. I was expecting something much worse when I walked in.
Most people do, but a tax return is just a form. Once you do it the first time, every year after that feels easy.
I'll remember that. Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. And remember, 6 weeks goes faster than you think. File early and sleep well.